Hey guys, it's me.
Hello.
And Lucas.
Hello.
And it's about 1 in the morning. And we're out in the woods on the quad.
Okay, so yes, we're just driving in the woods. It's about 1 in the morning. And as you can see, we're in the woods driving for the snow day.
Hang on! Whoa!
Yep, running to the teepee. Oh,
Nah, we didn't need that tree anyway.
talking about...
Oh, the teepee! Get the teepee!
We built our own teepee. I will get the thing higher.
Dude, there's no snow in there. That's pretty good.
Might get the thing higher.
Huh?
Get that thing higher.
Get what higher?
That higher because of the rocks.
The plow?
Yeah.
I don't think it... That's it. That's as high as it goes. I'll break it if it goes any higher. It'll break the chain. The winch cable.
Wouldn't it break if it hit too much rocks? And what would you rather do? Break the winch, or make the thing break?
Well, there's a spring on it, so if it hits a rock or something,
Yeah.
it'll just flip up. The spring will flip it up.
Oh.
I heard it go crank when I cranked it in more, so I hope I didn't mess up the cable. Think we can make this hill? Are you filming?
Yep.
All right, let's see if we can make this hill. Look how steep it is. It may not look too steep on the camera, but
It's
it
very
is.
serious.
Here we go. Hang on. To the camera.
Hang on, everybody.
We got to turn this hard corner here. Yeah. All right, now the next big one.
Yes. You know what? Steve on the camera.
All right, here it is up here.
Yeah.
This big crazy rock. Whoa.
You guys want to go again?
Huh?
You guys want to go again?
I think I heard him say, yeah!
First car because
You want to do the big hill?
want to do the big hill, guys? I think I heard them say yeah.
I think I did!
Go. Ouch.
See how it flipped up?
My arm.
It did exactly what it was supposed to do.
What? Ouch.
Flip back and then pop back up again. Tomorrow, after we're done plowing, we'll take the plow off and do some more riding.
Yeah.
And we'll bring the sled in the woods.
Yeah.
And I'll tow you on the sled.
In the morning.
Well, in the
Yeah.
morning we got to do all the cleanup.
Yes.
All right, which way do I go? Kind of hard to see here.
Yeah.
Oh man, I think this is it. All right, so film the hill.
More four-wheel. Just keep it in four-wheel.
All right.
Don't change it. Guys, you want him to keep it in four-wheel? Come down below.
What? I heard two-wheel? I got a lot of snacks.
Do that again? Smash that like button. Do you want us to do that again?
Let's finish plowing the driveway.
Alright. Yep. We're just
at that right there. See how deep it is.
You guys can see that. It's kind of because I can't. You say yes, if you can, it's a no.
Oh yeah, that looks good.
Tell me that looks weird, guys. I'm never You're not even plowing.
Yeah, we did. You'll see once I turn it around. Ready?
Yep. Woods again. After this. Wow. It's kind of hard for us to see it. We're doing this at night.
When we turn it up?
What?
When we turn it off? Oh, it's on.
Hey guys. So today I'm gonna be doing snow angels in this.
Oh, that's a good one, dude. Oh, I think he went all the way down to the street. Let's take a look. Hey.
Wow.
Oh yeah.
You guys see that? I'm gonna.
Oh man.
Ouch, that hurt. Why am I going? I'm stuck. Could you help me?
Okie doke.